Biology professor Kristine Grayson is a field ecologist whose areas of expertise include population ecology, the spread of invasive forest pests, migration in salamanders, and the impact of climate change on these species. The primary goal of her research program is to understand the ecology and physiology of animals in changing environments. Kristine, thanks so much for sitting down with me today.
Of course, thank you for having me.
For those unfamiliar, exactly what is population ecology?
At its core, population ecology is the study of the numbers of organisms in a particular population and where those populations are found. And of course, under climate change, this field has really increased in importance as animal and plant populations are changing in unprecedented ways, both in their population viability and in their geographic distribution or geographic ranges.
You specialize in amphibians and also work with salamanders. Exactly what are you trying to learn from them?
Amphibians, unfortunately, are a group in severe decline. Over 40% of species are threatened. So the project we're doing here at University of Richmond looks at a more common species, the redback salamander, as part of a research network that runs all up and down the East Coast. And we're hoping to detect population trends in this species as well as think about how it responds to climate in hopes that we can take lessons from a more common species and apply it to a more endangered one.
Your research has taken you to some international destinations. Tell us a little bit about your work in New Zealand.
In New Zealand, there's a special reptile that's found nowhere else in the world called tuatara, and they have temperature-dependent sex determination, like many reptiles. So you and I have sex chromosomes, but in this species, like many reptiles, whether male or female offspring is produced is determined by the temperature of the nest. And of course, under climate change, we're studying whether there's the potential for this population to become more male-biased in the future.
And why is the University of Richmond the right place for you to teach and do your research?
The opportunities for undergraduate research here are unparalleled. We have amazing laboratories and habitats right outside our door. It's also a really special place to work for its commitment to experiential and community-based learning, so I've been really privileged to teach and work at University of Richmond.
Kristine, it's really wonderful to have you here at the University of Richmond. It's clear that you're passionate about your work, and our students, our future scientists, benefit from your mentorship. Thanks so much.
Thank you for having me.